Mathaa manini tu thutha wa thirikari gwikira mukonde ni kuri na mukenya umwe uria uthuthuritio na akamenyeka gukorwo ari na homa cia coronavirus. Riu mbunge ya Senate nianiriire kuuga ni gwitia giikaro kia ihenya niguo kwaririria mitaratara iria yambitwo ni thirikari hari kungethanira na murimu uyu.
It will be necessary now for us, even as Parliament, to quickly think about our response to this pandemic. Mr. Speaker, we cannot be, in fact, if there's anything we should do, is maybe on Tuesday, and before that Tuesday, plan for how Senate can help the country.
Mutongoria wa aria aige thiini wa mbunge ya Senate Kipchumba Murkomen ni ateterithitie kuuga giki ni king'uki kiagiriirwo ni kumurikwo na kinyi.
Parliament, which starts with the Senate and the National Assembly, must first of all lay out measures.
Kama kuna wenye wameambukizwa na hizo virusi waanze sasa kutibiwa.
Ihinda-inĩ riu munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ni ahinyiriirie Kenya kurumirira mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni thirikari ya kuigitira.
Wakenya wote sasa pamoja na wananchi tuwe waangalifu.
Riri ona atongoria angi mahinyiriirie thirikari eteterithie bara ya kuhurana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu wa coronavirus.
Eko niwe ndirathiete nja wa bururi kana ni na to science tu ni wega guthii thibitari ria hakuhi na thirikari ni ugire thibitari cia level 4 na 5 cia isolation centers andu mathima confirm na andu mathima thimo but kondu wa bata muno ciana cikima thukuru eke ni gwithamba moko.
Ritana otarire ni reiketio ni magavana thiini wa county tiganite aria riu matariirie uria county ciao cihaririirie niguo kungethanira na homa ino.
Twina committee county committee ya kurora uhoro wa coronavirus na ni chairman, governor niwe chairman wa committee iyo, na okiumia ni turiheanaga update yoria turathie.
Ruhonge rwa kurugamirira insurance guku bururi-ini IRA ni ruritie muingi wa bururi na makiria aria meandikithitie na mubango wa insurance matikagie na hahu kuona kambuni cia insurance ni kurugamirira a member ao hari marihi ma murimu uyu mugaru na uria kurerikanaga na hau kabere.
Well, I think we can look in the future, but these are what's it called standard clauses when you go all over the world. It's nothing unique to Kenya. It is clauses that are there in any insurance policy that you'd see around the world. So it's not anything specific to Kenya.
Already thirikari ironeka ihotorete kuhurana na utheremu wa murimu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini. Muingi wa bururi ni uhinyiriirio uthingate ikiro cia iguru cia utheru niguo kuhurana na kuhukia utheremu wa murimu uyu wa coronavirus guku bururi-ini. Kiribotera Kameme TV kuma Gicũa-inĩ kaunti ya Mombasa, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.